In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we'd like to show you how to take a vertical cell phone video and use it in a standard 16:9 project. You often see the result in TV news where all they have is a cell phone video. It's in the center of the screen, and then you have a blurred version on the left and on the right. Sometime back, we did a tutorial showing one way to do this. But thanks to some of the very wise senior contributors, one by the name of Tom, I believe, at the CyberLink forum, I discovered a much more effective way to do this. And so I'd like to show you this better approach. I'm going to take this video, which basically is a slightly boring shot of part of an office, and I'm going to use this as my example. We'll drag the clip and drop it on track number 1. And I get my error message I'm expecting. It wants me to change the project aspect ratio to 9:16. We will say no. Now what I'm going to do is take that same video and drop it down on track number 2. The next step is to take the video on track 1 and change it. I'm going to make a couple of adjustments in it. The first thing I want to do is I want to widen it. So I'll move it to either margin with the mouse, and it will snap to. And now I have my primary video in the middle and a slightly enlarged version to the left and to the right. Then I'm going to go to my effect room, and I want to find a blur effect. I'll search under blur, and then I'll take and drop it on track number 1 as well. And if I want it to be more or less blurry, I can click on the Effect button and change the degree of the blur by either typing in the number or using the slider. We'll drop it down to 4. And now, when we play our movie, we have the kind of visual we might expect that we would see on television. Let's assume in this case you would like the images on the left and right not to be magnified, but approximately the same proportion as the one in the middle. Here's a variation of how to do that. We're going to take that image, drag it down into track 1 again, and click on No when it wants to change the ratio. Now we're going to move that image to the left. Now we'll take the same image and drag it to track 2, and we'll move that copy to the right. We'll take a third image and drag it to track 3, and it will set in the middle. And then we do on both track 1 and 2 what we did a moment ago. We're going to go to our effect room. We'll take our blur, drop it down into the video of track 1, and drop it down into the video of track 2. Of course, we can adjust the degree of the blur any way we want. So when we play it, we discover that we have the in-focus image in the middle, and we have the blurred copies on left and right in about the same proportion.